Welcome to another video and thank you for watching. Let's carve a pumpkin together in 7 easy steps. Step 1, prep your carving area. Lay down some old newspapers to catch the mess. Step 2, gather your pumpkin carving tools like spoons, knives, spatula and a marker. Many options to choose from. Step 3, cut a hole in the top of your pumpkin. Be careful as the knives are sharp and the pumpkin can roll around. Step 4, time to scoop out the guts. Grab your spoons, and if you want to get in the spooky mood, feel free to use your hands. Get rid of all those seeds and guts. Step 5, do a design dry run with your marker and try a few options. Sketch out your spooky face or pattern. Step 6, start cutting along your lines. Take your time and be careful, and always get permission from your parents. Step 7, finally light it up with a tea candle or your preferred light source. Wait until it gets dark and watch your creation come to life. And there you have it, pumpkin carving mastery in just 1 minute. Happy Halloween!